And hello there, Dragon Ball fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest figurized standard of the Dragon Ball line, again featuring Son Goku in his new spec version. So it means that it has more motion and more modeling involved. So again, let's take a look at the box art, and we see here Son Goku, or Goku himself, some parts of the plate, and of course it tells it new spec version and what it has. Okay, so off to the side we see, if you assemble them front and back, and what they are talking about the new spec version. As you can see, it has a very wide range of motion and possibility, and of course it comes with different faces and a stand, and of course stickers. Off to the other side, they are just, yes, yet again talking about the new spec version and how the sprues are built, or rather how they arrange the sprues, where you can see everything with the one Dragon Ball star is involved to the head, everything with the two Dragon Ball star, body, waist, and basically I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so that's in the box art, or what's outside. Let's take a look what's inside. So first up, we have one bag and a multicolor sprue and the sticker. So basically, if you see, yes, this might be his face, and yeah, here it is. This is the one-star Dragon Ball, wherein, if you like, they said in the box, deals everything or is revolve everything about the head, or assembly of the head. Next one is all blue and all orange. So here you can see again the Dragon Balls are here, as well as here, indicating you which part of the figure you're going to build and where you need them. So here we have the 2-star, 5-star, 4-star. Next one, we have here the stand, all yellow and all red sprues. Last bag has a all light brown, or the flesh colored, all the blue and all the orange, again littered with the Dragon Balls. And here we have, yes, the instruction manual. So let me talk about the instruction manual, very long enough, detailed enough. So as you can see here, this is what I was talking about, where each Dragon Ball represents which part of the model is going to be built. Also, 1-star is the head, 2-star the body, 3 stars the waist, 4 is the right arm, 5 is the left, 6 is the right leg, and 7 is the left leg. And if you view in the instructions, it's clearly indicated here. So all the 1-stars, all the parts for the head in the 1-star Dragon Ball is here. And then for the body, let's take a closer look. Yeah, there you see. For the body, so everything with a 2-star Dragon Ball is related to the build of the body, and it already tells you here that you can there are just parts of the runners that you need. Why? Because here they are telling you that you have to you could snap the runners, and of course just gather the runners with the same number of star in the Dragon Balls. Yeah, so that's one of the features of this new spec version. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. And first off, we have the A sprue, which is, as you can see, the 1-star Dragon Ball. So everything in this sprue is for the head assembly. So all of these parts is just to form the head. And it's multicolored, so we see here the flesh colors, pink for the tongue, white for the eyes, and there's the black for the hair, and of course this is for the eyes, the iris, and the eyebrows. So that's the A sprue. Next, we have the B sprue. As you can see, this is flesh colored, or light brown, And we have here several Dragon Balls that we can see. So here is the 2-star again. If we take a look back at the graph or the instruction manual, deals with the body. 4-star is, I think, for the one of the arms, and same with the 5-star. So this is the B sprue. Next up, we have the C sprue here, which again, as you can see, is littered with different Dragon Balls, or the number of Dragon Balls. So again, 2 for the body, 4 and 5 for the arms, 6 and 7 for the legs. So that is the C sprue, everything in blue. Next is the D, all orange. So again, 2 stars indicates for the body, 4 and 5 for the arms. So it is really actually very easy to identify which parts you use. So that's D. We also have a E sprue here. So as for the E, again, multiple parts here, and yes, with the Dragon Ball, the number of the stars in each Dragon Ball indicates for which part they are. So 3 for the waist, 6 and 7 is for the legs. So that's the E. We also have F sprue here, which is yellow. So yeah, for the legs. And again, how did we know? Because of this Dragon Ball here is the number of stars on the Dragon Ball actually. So F. Lastly, G. And yep, parts for the legs again because of this one here. Last one is the H. So same thing, number of stars on the Dragon Ball tells you for which part they are. And yeah, if you're wondering how do we separate them, as you can see here, yeah, it's very thin, right? You can actually snap it out. Then they do give you a stand, which is this one. And lastly, yes, we have a dry transfer sheet wherein we could put the stickers either in the front of Goku's G or at the back after we assemble him. So there you have it, Dragon Ball fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this figurized standard new spec version Son Goku. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing them. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, thank you and see you.